Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I am so glad you're here. In this week's episode, I am sharing what we had for dinner this past week. Stay tuned. Our first meal was on Sunday, and it was the honey thyme pork tenderloin with roasted potatoes and broccoli. This was the meal that I got from my HelloFresh box. Easy to cook. Prep time only took about 10 minutes, 30 minutes for cook time. The calories are 560, which is amazing. So delicious. I will have the full recipes to all of the meals that you see here down in the description box. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted whenever I upload a new video. This was a delicious meal to have right after church on Sunday. Easy to make, and it was just so delicious. This is something that I can have again. And what I'm learning from this whole HelloFresh experience is knowing how to properly portion out your ingredients so that you can have zero food waste, and you can also have a portion controlled meal. You don't have to overeat. You can eat the right amount of food that is filling and it tastes great, and you don't have to really restrict yourself from any type of foods. And I love that. And so my meal prep is changing. I love HelloFresh. I will continue to order some meals here and there. Just wanted to put that out there in case if you're wondering how this service works. I really do appreciate their service. They're on time and they have so many meals to choose from. There's something for everyone. And so Sunday dinner is served. I cannot wait to show you what I made on Monday. Look at that. So delicious. I mean, I can't believe that I made this and it turned out so good. I mean, I love to cook, but this is totally out of my comfort zone. Used to cooking, my Spanish food, and this was just delicious. So here we are. It is now Monday, and we are going to have brown sugar bourbon apple pork chops with McCormick grill meats, seasoning, mashed potatoes, and green beans. This was also another delicious treat. I normally don't like to have like the same meat back to back, but my husband wanted to eat this particular meal, and so this is why I'm making it. And in a separate video, I shared with you my system of putting away as I meal prep using these white bins. So I will make sure to put that iCard up on the top so you can check out my meal prep planning tips. This is also another HelloFresh meal. The total prep and cook time is 45 minutes, and calories is only 640 per serving, which is amazing. It is delicious. Dinner has been served for Monday. Look how awesome this dish looks. Next up, it's Tuesday, and what we have for dinner is one of my own recipes. I took a break away from HelloFresh, and so I made breaded chicken with yellow Spanish rice and andouille sausage with a side of navy stewed beans. It was so delicious, easy to make. I did follow the portion and the model of HelloFresh, making sure that I'm serving up one serving and we're not overeating, and we did not waste any food. Everything was consumed, and I am happy with that. Look how delicious this meal looks. Okay, so it's midweek and Christmas week at the same time, so it's been really hectic. So today we decided to do some takeout over at our local pizza shop. We picked up some barbecue wings, a meatball parm sandwich, some chicken française with tortellini pasta, and some chicken tortellini soup. And this is what we had today. We didn't really want to do takeout, but sometimes you have to do what you have to do. The last dinner for this week is going to be a firecracker meatballs. This is another HelloFresh meal. Ingredients: 2 bags of jasmine rice. We have panko breadcrumbs, we have mayonnaise, soy sauce, the scallions, green beans, sriracha, some sour cream, honey, and ginger. Now it's time to wash and prep all of the produce. Before you start prepping, make sure to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You're going to want to trim and thinly slice your scallions, separating the whites and the greens. Mince the whites and peel and mince the ginger. In a large bowl, you're going to make the firecracker sauce. So you're going to combine your mayonnaise, sour cream, honey, soy sauce, and sriracha to taste, and you're going to set it aside. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. In a small pot, combine your rice and water and a pinch of salt. You're going to bring to a boil, then cover and reduce to a low simmer. And you're going to cook your rice until it is tender for about 15 to 18 minutes. While the rice cooks, in a second large bowl, combine beef, panko, scallion whites, ginger, remaining soy sauce, salt, and pepper, and form your meatballs. You are going to place your meatballs on a lightly oiled baking sheet. You're also going to toss green beans on another baking sheet, drizzling them with oil, salt, and pepper. You're going to roast on top rack until meatballs are cooked through and green beans are browned and tender for about 14 to 16 minutes. Unfortunately, I thought that I was recording while I was forming my meatballs. It turns out that was not the case. So this is as much as you're going to see me working with the meat. And so here are my green beans and meatballs ready for the oven. Now we're going to let this bake, and the rice is now cooked. So you're going to want to fluff it up with a fork and season with salt and pepper to taste. And now we're ready to add the meatballs to the bowl with in a bowl with sauce. But first I'm gonna serve up the rice on the side. Now, at first, it appears that, the portions are really small, and I was worried that my husband was gonna kind of be a little disappointed with the amount of food, but actually, after we ate it, we were very full. And this is another thing that I appreciate from HelloFresh is portion control. You're eating the right amount of food. You're not overeating, and hopefully this will help us watch what we eat and possibly lose a couple pounds because of it. Now you are going to toss and coat your meatballs with the sauce that you prepared, and you're just going to mix it through. You can put all of the sauce in, or just a little bit, mix it, serve it, and then drizzle some on the top. It's totally up to you. The sauce is delicious. It has a little heat. I thought that using both packets of the sriracha was going to be too much, but it wasn't. And there you have it. Once you divide your rice between bowls or plates, you are going to top them with your meatballs, drizzle some of that remaining sauce, serve your greens on the side, and garnish with your green scallions. And dinner is served. And there you have it, my friends. This is what we served up for the week. I hope that you were able to pick up some dinner ideas from this video. Please let me know in the comments which meal was your favorite, which one you think you would be cooking up in your kitchen. Do you have any dinner suggestions for me? Leave those in the comments as well. Thank you so much for sticking it out with me. I look forward to sharing what I will be serving up next. Bye.